Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. And if you have not started mining your BTCs, please check my link below, sign up, do your verification and started mining. Mining will stop by December 12th, mainnet kickoff by June 9. Alright, but currently right now we are doing Testnet. Alright, okay. So now in taking part in Testnet, Satoshi has decided to dash us, just gift us 10K hash to help our mining rate to be more faster. Okay. Alright, to receive your 10K hash, there are some things you need to do. So let's check our rules and rules description. The rule says add wallet address, generate a transaction at the wallet address, 3 receive the hash once every day. Okay, so what are they trying to tell us here is that for you to receive your 10K hash, you need to take part in this testnet. Yes, by binding your metamask wallet to your Satoshi app. So to do that, let's go straight to metamask. So if you have not watched my video on Satoshi Testnet, I've explained everything there, how you can connect your wallet to metamask. Okay, so now when you come to metamask, this is how your account will look like. Don't forget the first rule said we should connect our metamask address to Satoshi mining app. So what you have to do right now, you click on receive. Okay, you click on receive. Okay, so when you click on receive, you click on copy. You copy your address. All right, when you copy that, then you go to your Satoshi mining app. All right, so this receive hash will be somewhere here, down here. All right, so what you have to do, you click on receive hash. When you click on receive hash, a box will pop out. Paste the wallet address you copy on metamask, you paste it here, and you confirm it. All right, the second rule says what? It said generate a transaction at the wallet address. Okay, that is, perform a transaction. Try to send a few BTCs to your fellow miners or to other people before you can have access to that 10K hash. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that right away. All right, so you don't need to stress yourself on that. I'm going to show you how to create the second wallet for yourself on metamask so that it can be it'll be very easy for you to transact and receive your 10K hash. Don't forget these coins, how you get it. You can watch my previous video on Satoshi Testnet. All right, now we want to perform transaction. That's the second rule. Perform transaction before you can receive your 10K hash. All you have to do is to do what? Come straight here, come straight down here, then you click on this side here. You can see here, you click here. So when you click here, all you have to do is to come down straight here. You can see right here where there is a create new account. So when you do that, it will create another account for you. Okay, it will create another account for you. So instead of sending to people or waiting for people to send their address, you can easily create one for yourself. So when you do that, it's very easy for you to to do your transaction anytime, any day. Alright, you are waiting. Okay, this is another account generated for me, but this is my main account. Okay, alright, so once you generate that, just do like this. Just come here, click on send. Alright, then choose the account you want to send your BTCs to. Okay, alright, then you click on next. Okay, so just type in 0.0004 0.0004. Okay, then you do that. Just send maybe small, it's just a small bit of coin to your wallet. All those coin doesn't mean everything will be wiped off at minute. Okay, so loading. Alright, okay, still loading. Don't forget you copy your address. Okay, so we are sending to the second wallet you created. Sure you get. That is what the second law said. I should try and do a transaction. So we are waiting for confirmation. Alright, okay, transaction submitted. Okay, you see, transaction 12 completed. So now when you are done with that, just go back to your Satoshi mining app. By then you have performed transaction, which is the second rule. You have done the second rule. It says receive the hash once every day. Alright, so immediately you perform transaction, you have sent coin to your second wallet. Just hold on like 2 minutes, then you click on receive hash. When you do that, your hash will be released onto you. Then just check here, your figures will have changed. So that is how to receive your 10K hash. Alright, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. In my next video, I'll be dropping on how to be a validator. Yeah, how to be a validator on metamask. Alright, okay. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video.